Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ryan's Aviation here with another video. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing and review of the NG Models Southwest 737-800 in the old colors. I love the Southwest old colors. There's just something about it. This is a little bit older of a release, but I believe it's still a fairly new release. There's the back of the box. Southwest NG. Love the NG boxes, so clean. You can see here, it's officially licensed by Boeing. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. There's the model, 737-800. Here we go. So here's the model, guys. You know, the new Southwest colors are a little more bold and flashy, I would say, but there's just something about the new colors, the canyon blue, that it's just so nostalgic. So this is a very, very detailed plane. It does have two antennas. The back antenna is a little messed up, it looks like, maybe. And then the other antenna is fine. Here is the underside. You can see the windshield wipers right there, and the CFM engines, and Southwest.com on the winglets. Sorry for my shaky hands. So yeah, this is a really nice plane, and if you're looking to add this to your collection, I would definitely recommend. It's a great model. Let's see if this will work here. Try to get this. There we go. It's a really nice model. So if you're looking to add this, definitely pick it up. You can probably find it pretty much anywhere on eBay. And yeah, that's going to conclude this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.